Are you staring at a blank screen instead of your next gaming adventure? Let's troubleshoot those Ps4 Hdmi woes and get you back in the game. First, the simplest solution: the HDMI cable itself. Examine it. Look for bends or damage. Unplug the HDMI cable from both your Ps4 and your TV, then plug it back in firmly, making sure it's fully seated. Turn on the Ps4 and see if it's working. Next, inspect the HDMI ports. Look for any damage, like bent pins. If pins are bent, sometimes a gentle straightening can help, but caution is key. If things still look damaged, this might be a bigger problem. It's time to check your TV's input settings. Make sure your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. Cycle through the inputs if necessary. Check if your TV supports the Ps4 resolutions like 1080p and 4K. 2. If you're still staring at a dark screen, your settings might need a refresh, or you may need to contact PlayStation support. With these steps, you have the best chance to fix your Ps4 Hdmi and enjoy your favorite titles.